Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to auto-populate cells based on drop-down box selection. To auto-populate cells based on drop-down box, you can do the following. First, you should have your list items in an Excel table. Then select the cell in the worksheet where you want the drop-down list. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon, and then select Data Validation. On the Settings tab, in the Allow box, select List. Select in the Source box, then select your list range. Press Enter and select OK. The drop-down list ready to use. Now we need to link the address to the name, using vlookup formula. You can follow my steps. Same way you can try it. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.